3 questions this morning for our listeners. And again, if we're giving away 5 lucky winners, and you'll be winning our Prime 15 Tala bundle, which gives you free calling, free texting, and 12 gigs that will last you 7 days. Our first question is: name one of the villages that are now 5G available. We've expanded our 5G out to Vaitele. So give me one of the villages that are lavered in that. The second question.
Maybe you should make it 3 villages.
Okay, 3 villages. 3 villages. Our second question is: when is our next draw for our promotion? Our winner share of 50,000. When is our next draw? And our final question is: what is the name of our app that you can watch the test match this weekend?
What is the name of the app? Okay, where you can download. If you don't have it, download it. It's absolutely free when you download. And with that app, you can watch Manu Samoa take on Scotland this weekend. Now, Scotland got beat by Fiji. Let me see the score here. Fiji beat Scotland over the weekend in Fiji at the HFC Bank Stadium. Fiji 29, Scotland 14. So we should beat Scotland this weekend.
Yes. Go the Manu.
All right, so those are your 3 questions. Text in your answers 103. Hey, can you tell me again, what prizes do they win when they go into this 50,000 thing?
So again, we have our weekly draws, and we will be giving away 5G handsets weekly, router. Again, they include data. We also giving away 500 Tala MyCash, and that's weekly for the next 12 weeks. And then we have our grand prize or our grand draw, which is on the 26th of September. And our winner will get 10,000 cash, and then we'll have 10 lucky winners that will get 2,000 Tala each.
Okay, there you go. Digicel 5G. The better network. Now, you guys have spent 13.5 million.
Yes, we've invested 13.5 million Tala. Again, not just with the expansion of our 5G, but again, making sure that and these are all pretty much on our new base stations. So we're looking at towers that are about 35 meters high, or 40, give or take. We've done a few in Savai'i and also in Upolu. So again, I say base stations because it's not just towers. We've also hooked onto other base stations.
So you guys are now 4G everywhere else where it's now 5G.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the whole island in Upolu and Savai'i are fully covered with 4G. And then again, CBD area out to Vaitele, we've expanded our 5G network.
All right, we also want to advise everybody about the SIFA Samoa Open happening on the 23rd of July. If you're not practicing, do practice. The entry forms are now out. You can pick up your entry forms here at Radio Polynesia. You can also pick it up at the golf course at Whangarei, and also at the Pro Shop up at Whaleata Golf Course. That's the venue of the SIFA Samoa Open. We say thank you to our platinum sponsor, Apia Concrete Products. Good morning to Angie and Vernon and Masoy. Good morning to all the staff and the crew at Apia Concrete Products. Eveni Sport is on as a gold sponsor. And we got a couple silver sponsors, Uncle Johnny's Ice Cream and SOS. There's some other sponsors coming on board from the other boys. We're having a Samoa Golf Incorporated meeting tomorrow, and I have the complete list, okay, on Wednesday.
Again, if you're wanting to see our coverage map or more information on our 5G expansion, you can go onto our website, and that's www.digicelpacific.com. And you can go on. We've got our FAQs on there. We've also got our 5G coverage map, just so just more information on there.
You know, we went to the airport last night to drop off Tangi, and the roads are good. You know, going to the airport. So normally we take the one that goes up Alisa.
Yeah.
But the lights are all off over there. It's just completely dark.
Yeah.
So we decided on the way home, we'd come through the coastline. And there was one car in the front that was probably traveling around 25 kilometers per hour, something really slow. and there was like 15 cars, including us. I was counting it, as they go around the bend. I was counting the cars, and I looked behind me. There's at least 5, 6 other cars behind me, a long queue. I was thinking to myself, man, how stupid can you be? The person in the front, just kind of pull over to the side, just keep going, go slow, and put your hand out the window and wave traffic through. But nah, they don't do that, huh?
It's Samoa. Samoa for you.
Oh man, it is frustrating. That's like the worst drive.
It's supposed to be well, again, it's a give or take. It's good that the roads are good, but then again, speeding is not good. But then so it's both speeding is not good, and then going that slow is not good, because I'm sure he would have had some nice words, people passing by.
Yeah, no kidding. All right, if you want to order some food and you're stuck at work, well, you can always go to moa.app. Okay? You can download the Moa app if you don't have it yet. You can order pizzas and calzones from Farmer Joe's. And you can also order some food from the Chinese restaurant, Xinhua restaurant in Vailoa. They have salt and pepper pork, lemon chicken, garlic crab, and more. Okay? And if you also need a ride, you can use taxi. Just go to the internet, taxi.moa.app to book your ride. Safe and reliable and transparent, fair pricing. Okay. All right. Anything else, Kim?
Again, I just want to remind everyone that we have our next, again, our promotions going on, and our next draw is this coming Friday. So make sure to, again, if you're asking how can you get into our draw to win, if you purchase any of our bundles, our say Prime bundle, Seki, all our Prime bundles, as well as the Big on Data, 15 tala or more, you will go into the draw to win. If you have done a new sign up on our postpaid or paid your bill, you also go in the draw to win. And then if you purchase a 5G handset in store, you again go into the draw to win. So again, Corey, all our customers that spend 15 tala or more will go into our weekly draw. And then if you've missed out on the weekly draw, we will include everyone in our grand draw. Again, it's 1 tala per entry. So that means if you buy a phone at $499, you get 499 chances to win. Again, our promotion ends on the 26th of September.
Okay, so the questions again, some people are starting to text in their answers.
Okay. So our first question is, we named a few villages leading out to Vaitele. Give me 3 of our 3 villages that now have 5G working in the area. Our second question is, when is our next draw, which I just gave away? And then our third question is, give me the name of our app, in which is totally free to download, and you will be able to watch the Manu Samoa test match this weekend.
All right, so text your answers to the number 103, okay? The station that's number 1. All right, we say good morning to one of our texters. Good morning to 9379. Yep, your comment has been noted. Yeah, the Digicel team will get in touch with you. All right, some celebrities that share your birthday today. Conor McGregor is 37. The Irish mixed martial arts champion started out as a boxer. Imagine Dragons singer and keyboardist, guitarist Dan Reynolds is 38. Dan Smith, the singer and keyboardist for the group Pastille, is 39. From Black Eyed Peas, Taboo, his real name is Jamie Gomez. He's 50 today. Tommy Mottola, the former head of music for Sony, who left to launch his own label in early 2003, discovered and married Mariah Carey. He also discovered and managed Hall & Oates. He is now married to singer Thalia. Today is National French Fry Day. When was the last time you had French fries, Kim?
Friday. When you go out, you can't not have McDonald's. So again, a big teller to our McDonald's crew, and I paid QR pay through my cash.
Mm-hmm. Are you embarrassed to show your feet in public? Well, if you are, you're not alone. A new survey finds that 44% of respondents said they don't like showing their feet in public. So now it's sort of 66% say they avoid wearing open toed shoes or sandals because they don't want their toes to show. Over
Non
here,
Samoa
though,
is too hot.
the Samoans always got nice toes, huh? They always got nice fingernails. Anyway, so what's causing this Tootsie trouble? The biggest reasons people do not want to show their feet, according to the survey, 50% smell. Toenail fungus, 42%. 16% said toe hair. And 14%, I just don't like the shape of my toes. And I don't want to show anyone. Talking about feet, there's a guy in Australia. He went and ordered all these shoes.
Oh,
But you know what stores do? They only put out like
one pair.
one shoe, not a pair. So if it's a
Yeah.
so if it's a green shoe, they only put out like one style. They only put out the right side, huh?
Yeah.
So every style has only got the right shoe displayed. So this egg here in Australia goes and steals all the 53 shoes that were on display.
God.
Yeah. Surveillance footage shows the man walking up to a clearance table containing large bags of shoes. He is seen reaching into the bags and stuffing shoe after shoe into a suitcase he had in the shopping cart. He then casually walked out of the store. Nobody caught him. So now the store shared him on social media and asking some people to please help him so they can recover all these shoes. Because he can't sell shoe now, right? Maybe,
Yeah, well,
really.
yeah. And I'm not sure what he's going to do with the other shoes either.
I had this on Saturday morning in case you missed out. Be careful with turmeric supplements. Lots of people take natural supplements to keep healthy, and many of them can actually be very helpful. But you need to know what you are ingesting. Turmeric has gotten a lot of attention lately because it's a mild anti-inflammatory. But a little goes a long way. Too much can cause liver damage. And after a while, that damage could be irreversible. WHO says 200 to 300 milligrams a day of turmeric is safe, depending on your weight. But many capsules that you buy over the counter contain 10 times that amount.
But I think that goes for everything. Everything's not good if you drink too much of it. I'm like, alcohol is bad, but it's only really bad if, yeah.
And roughly 20% of all liver toxicity cases can be tied to herbal and dietary supplements. Bottom line, small doses of anything healthy, yeah? Small doses can help with turmeric can help with joint pain. But check the bottle to see how much you are getting. All right, so our questions again to win with Digicel. Villages. Name 3 villages that's got 5G coverage. Question 2. The
Question
draw.
2 is, when is our next draw for 50,000? When is share 50,000 tala?
And the third question is regarding the app.
Give us the name of the app that is totally free to download, and you can, again, watch the test match this weekend.
Okay. And again, our entry form for our National Amateur Golf Tournament for the Samoa Open is now available. Okay, you can pick up yours here at Radio Polynesia and pay, and I'll give you a receipt. And if you're looking for a place to rent, there's one in Vaiteleuta. And if you go to Samoa Realty's page, you'll see a whole bunch of properties. Looking for comfort, convenience, and space? This beautifully kept 3-bedroom home is ready for you to move in. Okay? Go to Samoa Realty's Facebook page for more details. Take a look now at our Digicel winners.
Let's have a look at the winners.
Oh my God, oh my God.
All right, Kimmy, question number 1 was?
Question number 1 was, give me 3 villages that now have 5G working in the area. And if you've sent in Vaimoso, Alamangoto, Singamonga, Lepea, Lotopa, Tulaele, Alafua, Uloloa, Tongai Matso, Siusenga, Vaitele, Vaiusu, Vainganga. If you've sent 3 of those, yeah, you're a lucky winner.
You win.
And our second question is, when is our next draw for our promotion, our winner share of 50,000 promotion? It's our next draw is this Friday. And our final question is, give me the name of the app that is totally free to download, and you can experience the you can watch the test match this weekend. And our
Test match is going to be between Scotland and Manu Samoa at Eden Park.
And the answer is our DTV app.
All right, so we say congratulations to these numbers.
720-2628, 730-2695, 729-2313, 773-0145, and 771-3495.
All right, congratulations. And those are our winners for Digicel this week. More next week, Monday. Thank you very much, Kim, for coming in.
Thanks, Corey. And Samoa, take it easy this week. And again, watch this space for our draw this Friday.
When you wake up, it's
Yep, and that wraps up our Digicel's program. Happens every Monday morning, right here. Remember, if you have any questions regarding Digicel, remember they also sell Samsung, and they also got the latest iPhone. Okay, they also have financing packages. Okay,